Hey, 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 hey. We're just down the street from Mooneyes. It's a Christmas party. Let's cross the street here and check out what we got. Look at this. 53 Special, built in Burbank in the 1950s. There's Bob and Peggy Beck. How about that? Bob, this is exactly what you should have.
I know.
You could do a whole month radio show on the build.
I could do that. I'll tell you what. I was looking at it. It's cool.
Isn't it cool?
Sitting on an old Ford chassis.
Old Ford chassis.
It's got an automatic transmission, so the chances are there's a Chevy in there.
A Chevy,
or maybe a Caddy, or I don't know.
I don't know, it kind of looks like a Cobra.
Well, it's an early 50s kit car.
Yeah.
But, which one? That's the thing. There were a whole bunch of them in those days.
Yeah. Wow. See how cool cool was before we were cool?
That's it. Oh yeah. He's styling driving down the street in this baby.
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, I walked across the street. I said, man, I gotta walk across the street to see what this thing is.
That's exactly what I did.
Yeah. That's Bob Beck. Check out Bob. He does podcasts. And look at this, huh? 53 Special, built in Burbank in the 50s by Marcus Meyer. Any clues of its history? It's got moon caps. We're here at the Mooneyes. Look at that. How about that? Kind of almost looks like MGA 60 style. Barn find. How about that? Mystery sports car. The things we find when we go to Mooneyes.
Beetle chassis and made.
Hey, all you rare vintage air guys. Go trade it for a Volkswagen. Wanted weird Volkswagen projects. How about that? We're only getting started here at Mooneyes. We're a little late because I thought it was going to rain. Now look at that, huh? Flame 4-door, 50, 51 Ford. This is, well, not a coupe, 4-door. It's got lake pipes, wide whites, beauty rims. Check out the interior. Yeah. Nothing but cool. And look at this here, huh? An Oldsmobile, like about a 76. Cutlass Supreme. Yeah. Another, looks like 49 Ford on wide whites, flames. And a 58 Chevy. And there's a Bel Air or a Biscayne, huh? Look at that. All right, let's work our way across the street. Not getting run over. We're blocks away, or feet away from cool. There, I got about a 53, 54 Chevy. Look at that. Bel Air. It is. Look at that. It is a 53. You got a Volkswagen for all you Volkswagen fans. Look at that. Got a trailer hitch on it to tow your daily driver. And look at this. Slam down, chop down, 4950 Ford. We got a Chevrolet pick 'em up truck. Wide whites. Look at that. No donor derelicts for Dano again today. The rain, the threat was rain. And I thought I would do some other things. And actually I get up here to Mooneyes a little later than I wanted to, but we're here. So we're rolling. Look at that. 3 on the tree. Real hot rod, pedals and gears. That's almost ready for paint. LED lights. Yeah. What we got over here? It looks to be a Plymouth or a Dodge. We go slowly. Look at the lake pipes hugging the ground. Look at that. Maybe it's even a Zephyr. No, I don't think so. Look at that. How cool is that? Alright, let's see what else we got. We got a Wildcat sitting over there. A Buick. All right, just walking on in. We got guys grilling up some food right here. Yeah, what up? Look at that sled here, huh? Whoa. Man, has that been laid down? Spotlights. Look at that. I'm thinking it's a Cadillac. That's pretty cool. How about that? There we have the entrance to Mooneyes. We'll be back. We'll go in there a little bit. So I'll walk through here and get the rest of these cars. Look at that. It's got a shade tree. Cool. Moonshine. And look at that. Here we are, right here, famous Mooneyes, Santa Fe Springs, California. On DanoLive. So yeah, Mercury Comet. How about that? We'll get over there too. Let's walk around Hungry Boy Charboiled Burgers drive-through. See what we got. Yeah, it's Christmas time, Southern California. That Ford Falcon early, about 60, 61. Flames. 50, 51 Chevrolet. Wide, white raccoon tail. 76 ball. It is a deluxe. And hey, look at this badass traditional hot rod. I'll walk back and get a picture of it. There. Come by and catch it on the downside. There you got a little mini pin up on the Riviera. Look at that. Oh wow. Chevrolet pickup truck. Whites. 3100. That was a funeral Uber procession car. It's a 65. Look at that. What we got here? Volkswagen Gold Mine Express. Got the webs all covered up.
When's the shop open? Monday to Friday?
Whittier Gold Mine. It's got an updated gauge package. You got a basket for all your accessories.
Do you want to have me to open the door?
Don't have what?
Open the
yeah,
door.
all right. Look at that. We got racing lap belts. We got non-factory seats. Whoa. Whoa. Look how bad this is. I got a tachometer out on the hood. Yeah, you got to know what those Webbers are doing. You don't want to blow them up, right? Thanks, bro. Yeah. And these were before third brake lights.
Yeah, that's the only Ford part is those tail lights.
Yeah.
I don't really like those Fords. I can't say that. He's going to put a Pinto engine in. I thought he was going to walk away.
Look at that, huh? Look at it. How about that? We got 59 or 60 El Camino over there. Mustang. Got a lot of cool things happening up over here. Volkswagen Gold Mine Express, right there. At least you kept the Volkswagen powered.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Didn't put a Ford in it.
Mostly Volkswagen.
Yeah. How cool. Let's see what else we got here. Look at that. They lay down. Master Supremes. Yeah, see what happens when you drink too much? How cool. Santa skeleton. Got a bomb. Look at those hubcaps. Fleetmaster by Chevrolet.
This is a new one that I got.
We got a Bel Air over there. Here we got desk and tables. Yeah. Cadillac. Where you going? You're not afraid of rain, are you?
No, I'm not going anywhere.
Oh, okay, all right.
This guy wants to leave, but he got to do
Oh, man.
I'm going to take a walk over there.
Yeah, I think that's why they invented fold-up chairs. So if you got to go in a quick, you can fold them up.
Right? How you been?
I'm fine, thank you. And look at that 40. Well done in satin. All right, earlier this was just jam-packed, I'm sure, with other cool cars, but we're a little late to the program. Let's hurry up and get through the back here. If the weather would have been for clear skies, we would have had a jam-packed here. It actually showed rain most of the day. 73 Galaxy. That's a Lincoln Continental. Oh, Datsun. Aha! A Dano van. Well, one day, one hopes. Ah, we got a Cadillac pop in here since we walk around. Check that out, huh? How badass is that? With this moon equipped. Five window. One bad 30. Rumble Cats. Hey, oh. There you have it. Let's put this on pause. Walk across the street. All right, we did that pretty quickly. Let's see what we got over here. Got Mercury lights and a 53 Chevy.
See, that's my problem.
It's a different version. This thing is called Victoria. Victoria. It's a different. I think it's called Victoria.
That's El Camino. Pretty cool too, huh? That should be a Plymouth. El Camino's for sale. New 350 motor. 21.5.
I was strapped when I see the
Deluxe. Yeah, Pontiac got the Christmas tree on it. Ready to bring in the festive of the holidays. Roberto, Docs, all you fans of Dano, my friends over in Italy. I bet you're just loving this stuff, huh? Here we got a pintle wagon. Pretty Chevy out there. Look at this. The DeSoto. How cool is that? Alright. Over here at Silverio's Party Rentals. Here across from Mooneyes. Oh, there's gonna how that hot rod coming out. Let's get out on the street and see it. We're going straight. Maybe we can catch some coolness. Block this. You got blocked. There you have it. That's video one, walkthrough Mooneyes. Let's go over to the shop and check it out. Of course, we're Norwalk and Florence Boulevard, Santa Fe Springs. If you like what you see, hit that support Dano up on the upper right. Throw me up a tip. I want to change up the game for 2020. I need some new equipment. The new DJI 2.5 gram drone is out. Just a tad under 500 bucks. I'm starting to put the word out. Give me a donation so I can grab the new equipment for the new 2020. Thanks, DanoLive, Santa Fe Springs.